What if I told you that some of the best upgrades you can make to your workshop cost less than dinner for two? Yup, today we're diving into 20 awesome woodworking tools from Kreg, all under $50, that can totally change the way you work. These are clever, compact, and made to save time, space, and frustration. I'm not here to waste your time. Let's jump straight into the good stuff. Portable Crosscut, $15.10. The Portable Crosscut is a small, easy-to-use guide that helps you make straight 45 and 90 cuts on wood boards up to 8 inches wide. It's great for beginners or anyone who wants quick, accurate cuts without needing a big saw setup. The built-in support ledge helps you line up your cut fast, while the retractable cut line shows exactly where the blade will go. You can use it with left or right blade circular saws, so it works for almost anyone. Plus, the anti-slip pads underneath help keep everything steady while cutting. This tool is perfect for home improvement tasks, shelving, and small woodworking projects. Automaxx bench clamp system, $49.99. This clamping system is designed to help you hold your wood or material firmly in place while you drill, cut, or assemble. The Automaxx bench clamp adjusts automatically to fit materials up to 3 3/4 inches thick. No tools or manual setting needed. You just squeeze the handles and it tightens to the right pressure. It's very quick to set up and easy to use, even if you're new to woodworking. The clamp is strong, stable, and great for workbenches, making it useful for many types of projects. Whether you're building furniture or fixing cabinets, this clamp helps you work faster and more safely. Precision router table stop, $44.99. This tool is used with a router table to help you make repeated cuts at the same spot, which is helpful when making multiple pieces that need to match. The stop is made of strong aluminum and has a swing-away design, so you can move it out of the way when not needed. A special lens cursor helps you see your measurements clearly, so you can place your fence exactly where it should be. This makes routing tasks more accurate and easier to repeat. Whether you're working on edges, grooves, or joints, this tool gives you reliable results every time. Corner routing guide set, $39.99. The corner routing guide set helps you make smooth corners or angled edges on wood using any type of router. It includes a variety of guides, 3 4-angled chamfer cuts, and 5 for rounded radius cuts. Each one gives a different size, so you can choose the look you want. The guides are easy to attach and come in a storage case to keep things organized. They also have non-slip backing and adjustable stops to hold your wood steady. A big, comfortable handle helps you control the tool while you work. It's great for finishing tables, shelves, or boxes with a smooth, clean-edged cabinet. Hardware Jig, $31.95. This tool helps you drill holes in the right place when putting handles or knobs on cabinet doors. It's made of strong materials and uses steel guides to keep your drill straight and steady. You can adjust it to match different handle sizes, so everything lines up nicely. There's a sliding edge guide to help you place it exactly where you want, and a ruler built in to measure accurately. It saves you time and keeps your holes in the same spot every time. This is a helpful tool if you're installing kitchen cabinets or updating old furniture. Drawer Slide Jig, $32. This jig helps you install drawer slides without needing to measure again and again. It lines up the drawer and the slide perfectly, so you don't have to guess or worry about crooked drawers. It works with many types of slides, like the ones that go underneath or those with ball bearings or white plastic epoxy coating. It's great for use on cabinets, desks, or any furniture with drawers. This tool is easy to use and makes sure your drawers open and close smoothly. It takes the frustration out of drawer installs and gives clean, even results. Drawer front mounting system, $49.98. This tool helps you attach the drawer front, the part you seat, to the drawer box behind it. It's made for kitchen drawers, office furniture, or other cabinets. It comes with 7 small spacers to help you get even gaps and a clean look. It fits side spaces up to 3/8 of an inch. Made of strong steel and covered with an anti-slip layer, it stays steady while you work. It also helps prevent wiggling or mistakes. With this tool, your drawer fronts will be straight and even, which makes your whole project look more professional. Rip-Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide, $43.50. This tool turns your circular saw into a guided cutting tool. It helps you make long, straight cuts in big sheets of wood like plywood. It has a base that fits most saws and a guide that runs along the edge of your board. You can use it with left or right blade saws. The edge guide helps keep your cuts straight, which is really useful when cutting large boards by yourself. Perfect for making shelves, cabinets, or panels. If you're not great at cutting straight lines freehand, this tool makes it much easier. Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro, $100. This is one of Kreg's most advanced tools for making strong wood joints. It helps you drill angled holes, which are used to join two pieces of wood together tightly. The 720 Pro works with wood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, making it great for most common projects. It has a clamp that holds your wood in place and adjusts automatically, no need to set it by hand. The anti-slip surface keeps your board from moving while you drill. It's fast, easy to use, and gives you professional-looking results. Perfect for building furniture, shelves, or cabinets. Crosscut Station, $37.15. The Crosscut Station lets you use your circular saw to make accurate, straight, and angled cuts, similar to what a miter saw can do. It works for cuts from 0 to 45, which is useful for making picture frames, corners, or trim. It has a smooth MDF base that helps prevent splinters and a clear line that shows exactly where the saw will cut. You can use it with both left and right blade saws. Support. Wings help hold longer boards steady. This tool is perfect for cutting wood safely and accurately, even if you don't have a miter saw. Shelf Pin Jig, $39. This tool helps you drill small holes into the sides of cabinets or shelves for placing shelf pins. These pins hold up the shelves and let you adjust their height. The jig has 6 strong metal guides that make sure your holes are straight and evenly spaced. It follows the 32mm spacing system, which is a common standard used in cabinet making. It's also useful when installing drawer slides or hinges. With this tool, your shelves will be level and won't wobble. It's great for bookcases, kitchen, cabinets, or any storage project with adjustable shelves. Magnetic Stud Finder, $29. This small tool helps you find the wooden or metal studs inside your walls so you know where to drill or hang things. It uses 2 strong magnets to locate the screws or nails inside the wall. Once it finds them, it sticks to the wall hands-free. It also has a small laser to mark exactly where the stud is. A built-in bubble level helps you line things up straight, and marking notches let you draw easy, accurate lines. This tool is perfect for hanging shelves, TVs, or pictures without guessing where the studs are. VersaGrip Clamps, $29.98. These clamps are strong, easy to use, and great for holding wood in place while you work. They have a 6-inch clamping range and can hold up to 300 pounds of pressure, which is more than enough for most home and woodworking jobs. You can slide the clamp head along the bar or flip it to work in different ways, depending on your project. They're great for gluing, drilling, or assembling pieces of wood, whether you're building furniture or fixing something around the house. These clamps help keep your materials steady and safe. Pocket Hole Jig K4, $99.99. The K4 is a popular tool for making strong wood joints using pocket holes. It's easy to use even for beginners and helps you drill at just the right angle too. Connect to pieces of wood. It works with wood up to 3 inches thick and has a simple clamping system to hold your piece in place. This jig is great for building furniture, frames, or cabinets. It makes your projects stronger and look more professional. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this tool can make your joinery quicker and easier. Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro, $48.99. This jig helps you install cabinet knobs and handles the right way quickly and evenly. It's made from strong aluminum and can handle different sizes of hardware, from 1 3/4 inches to 12 inches apart. You can use it on both left and right cabinet doors. The tool makes sure every handle or knob is placed the same way, so your cabinets look neat and even. It saves time and prevents mistakes, especially when working on many drawers or doors. A great tool for kitchen updates. furniture makeovers, or new cabinet installs. Portable work surface, $79.99. This is a flat, strong work surface you can take anywhere. It's made from MDF and is good for woodworking, crafts, or small home projects. It's compact, so it doesn't take up much space, but it's big enough to get the job done. Anti-slip cords help keep your wood or tools from sliding around. It also has adjustable feet that raise it off the ground, giving you room for clamps or cuts. It's great if you don't have a full workbench or need a clean. Stable place to work. Jig R3, $34. The Jig R3 is a small portable pocket hole jig that helps you join two pieces of wood at an angle. It's great for making repairs or building small projects. You can adjust it to work with different wood thicknesses, and it has 9 settings too. Help you get the right fit. The jig comes with a clamp adapter, so it works with most standard clamps. Even though it's small, it's powerful and helpful for anyone from beginners to experienced woodworkers. It fits easily in your toolbox and is ready whenever you need it. Have you tried any of them? Got a favorite Kreg tool I missed? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. And hey, like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you don't miss the next tool drop. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Channel C. You in the next one.